In a world where communication and interaction are becoming more digital, we present an innovative solution that changes how we capture and interpret nonverbal signals and shows how we can optimally utilize this knowledge in today's society. Researchers constantly try to improve the productivity and effectiveness of virtual meetings, but unfortunately, they often struggle to evaluate their solutions. We, a team of 5 students, wanted to make a change and therefore developed an analysis tool that collects data on speech, facial expressions, and emotional states in digital communication. Using modern machine learning tools, our system analyzes this data and provides insights into participants' concentration levels and emotional states, which are key indicators of productivity. The core of our innovation is a user-friendly dashboard that makes complex analysis results easy to understand through graphical time series representations and meaningful KPIs. This, along with further explanations available on the dashboard, helps users in research and development find patterns in large, often confusing datasets. Dividing the meeting into different agenda points allows researchers to compare specific time intervals and draw conclusions about the effectiveness of various activities. Companies are highly interested in improving efficiency by understanding participant involvement, which can be, for example, influenced by practices such as showing graphs or other types of data during discussions. The effects of these activities can be effectively analyzed beforehand using our program. For instance, if you look at this particular example, the increase in the blink rate observed here indicates a decline in the participant's concentration, which should be avoided. Such observations provide opportunities to optimize administrative and operational processes by regulating meetings on platforms like Teams, thereby enhancing outputs. To demonstrate at least a small part of how the system itself works, we will analyze the following video clip for emotions, which can be applied to all further analyses. Whether in controlled lab settings or field studies, our tool offers new possibilities for studying the nuances of human interactions and can be easily integrated into other research projects to better understand how people think and behave in different environments. If you are interested, please contact us to learn more about our project and potential collaboration opportunities. We look forward to connecting with others and expanding our understanding of human interaction together.